Finance examples 27E and F. A bond is purchased for $500, earning 5% interest annually. If the bond matures in 5 years, how much interest is earned? So this is a bond, and we paid simple interest on those bonds. So we need to remember our formula. I equals PRT. And we are purchasing the bond for $500. Our rate is 5%, and our time is 5 years. We will get $125. The maximum amount you can contribute to a Roth IRA each year is $5,500. For your information, with the Roth IRA, you pay taxes on the money now, and it's tax-free when withdrawn. Kent wants to deposit the maximum amount, so he puts $458.33 each month into an account that earns 7 3/10% interest. If he does this for the next 20 years, how much will he have in the account when he retires? So he is making regular deposits. Every single month. And so in that case, it sounds like a savings annuity. So how much is he depositing? $458.33 with the interest rate of 7 3/10%. He's making that deposit monthly for 20 years. Okay, so using our annuity formula, we will substitute $458.33 in for our deposit, and I will pause and substitute the rest of the amounts into the appropriate variable. Okay, so when I type this into my calculator, I should get $247,645.62.